Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be kept notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is to solve systems of equation algebraically. You're going to learn it here the easy way. And we are going to learn today how to write and solve a system of equations by substitution. Substitution is a replacement of one mathematical entity by another of equal value. Let me show you an example so that you will be guided. Solve the system of equations algebraically. Y is equal to 6 minus x and y is equal to 3x. Both equations are the same because they are both equal to y. So we're going to substitute them below. Accordingly, we can write the equation x minus 6 is equal to 3x so that we can solve for x. Let us subtract x on both sides of the equation. Subsequently, we can cancel out the x on the left side. Then, we can work on 3x minus x, which will give us 2x. Therefore, minus 6 is equal to 2x. To solve for x, we can divide both sides by 2, which will let us cancel out the 2 on the right side, and we can work on negative 6 all over 2. Negative 6 divided by 2 will give us negative 3. Therefore, x is equal to negative 3. Let us substitute the value of x in the first equation so that we can solve for y. The first equation is y is equal to x minus 6. On substituting x in the equation, it will give us minus 3 minus 6. And we can come up with negative 9. Accordingly, y is minus 9. Let us try to substitute the value of x on the second equation, which is y is equal to 3x. And it will give us 3 times negative 3, which will give us the same. Y is equal to negative 9. Therefore, our solution for the system of equation in solving algebraically, y is equal to x minus 6 and y is equal to 3x is negative 3 and negative 9. Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Solve the system y is equal to 2x plus 5 and y is equal to 7x algebraically. Since both equations are equal to y, we can solve for the value of x, which will give us 2x plus 5 is equal to 7x. Let us subtract 2x on both sides of the equation. We can cancel out the 2x on the left side. Moreover, we can work on 7x minus 2x, which will give us 5x. Accordingly, it will give us the equation 5 is equal to 5x. To solve for x, we can divide both sides by 5. We can cancel out the 5 on the right side, and we can work on 5 divided by 5. Furthermore, it will give us x is equal to 1. Let us substitute the value of x on the first equation, which is y is equal to 2x plus 5 to solve for y, which will give us 2 times 1 plus 5. To simplify, y is equal to 7. Let us check on the second equation if we can get the same value of y if we are going to substitute the value of x in y is equal to 7x. 7 times 1 will give us 7. Accordingly, the value of y is the same on the two equations. Therefore, when we substitute the value of x, which is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. Accordingly, the solution for the system of y is equal to 2x plus 5 and y is equal to 7x is 1 and 7. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Solve the system y is equal to 2x plus 9 and 6x plus 2y is equal to 10 algebraically. You can see that the first equation is in slope-intercept form, while the second equation is in standard form of linear equation. Let us use the standard form of linear equation in solving for x and y. Since we have the value of y is equal to 2x plus 3, we can substitute it in the equation 6x minus 2y is equal to 10. We can come up with the equation 6x minus 2 times 2x plus 3 is equal to 10. Distributing the 2 inside the parentheses, it will give us 6x minus 2 times 2x minus 2 times 3 is equal to 10. On simplifying the equation, it will give us 6x minus 4x minus 6 is equal to 10. Let us add 6 on both sides of the equation, so that we can cancel out the 6 on the left side. To simplify 6x minus 4x, it will give us 2x. And 10 plus 6, it will give us 16. Accordingly, 2x is equal to 16. To solve for x, we can divide both sides by 2. Furthermore, we can cancel out the 2 on the left side. And we can work on 16 divided by 2. Consequently, it will give us x is equal to 8. Let us substitute the value of x in the first equation, which is y is equal to 2x plus 3 to solve for y. And it will give us 2 times x plus 3. Moreover, y is equal to 19. When x is 8, y is 19. Let us substitute the value of x and y on the second equation so that we can check if our answer is correct. Accordingly, 6x minus 2y is equal to 10. Therefore, substituting the values of x and y, it will give us 6 times 8 minus 2 times 19 is equal to 10. Simplifying the multiplication, it will give us 48 minus 38 is equal to 10. Subsequently, it will give us 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, our answer is correct. Hence, the solution for the system y is equal to 2x plus 3 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 10 is 8 and 19. To wrap it up in finding the solution for the system of equations algebraically, you can substitute the first equation of y to the second equation, and you can find out the value of x. Once you found the value of x, you can substitute it in the first equation or second equation so that you can solve for the value of y. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Even if you are telling me that I am always repeating what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us, I will never stop reminding you the best regards he has for your future. That is why, guys, we need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back, revise it again, watch it carefully, step by step, slowly, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I wish you know that I always want you to score high in math, guys. Okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!